Today we're going to talk about a three-letter word that has oh so many meanings. It's a verb, it's a noun, well, you'll see. Come on. The word is run. Run, R-U-N. Told you, three letters. First meaning, to move quickly on foot. She can run very fast. I cannot. Run, to manage or operate a business or machine. Hey, he runs a coffee shop. He runs the machine at the coffee shop he runs. What? Run, to function or work for machines. The engine is running smoothly. Run also means to be a candidate in an election. She is running for mayor. Run, to extend in length or time. The road runs through the town. Oh, what a lovely road to run through a town. Run. Now run can be a noun. Noun? Yeah, before it was a verb, now it's a noun. See? Complicated. Run. The action of running, often for exercise or recreation. Whew, he went for a run in the morning. I should run in the morning. Run, a journey or a route taken. The airline added a new run to Tokyo. Here's another use of the word run as a noun. A continuous period of time a production process or machine is operating. Try saying that 5 times fast. It's quite a mouthful for a 3-letter word. Let's use it in a sentence. Bill had a good run with that car. He had a really long time where it was going great. Run, another run, a series of events or items that occur in succession. She had a winning run in the poker tournament. It was a series of events. Run, in baseball, it means it can refer to a point scored when a runner reaches home plate safely. We don't say how many points did the team get. We say how many runs did they score. Bill scored the game-winning run. We use run in football too. It can refer to a play where a runner carries the ball. For example, Dave had a 20-yard run. Oh, okay. Way to go, Dave. Where's Bill? Run, a sudden widespread demand for something. There is a run on tickets for the show. People have to get them. There is a run on the show. Or you have a run on the bank when everyone tries to get their money out. A run, a sudden widespread demand for something. And finally, run, a line or place in knitted work where stitches have come undone. Oh no, Sue got a run in her stockings. Does anyone still wear stockings? Why does English have oh so many meanings and uses for this little 3-letter word? I mean, 2 parts of speech, 11 different uses? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence or set of sentences, I hope. There was a run on the new coffee drink, so Bill had to run to the store. Then his car ended its run. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with one of the many meanings of run? You can. Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends, and do it before you have to run.